In this video, let's talk about the size and type of the spacers for your Subaru Forester. Let's go.
There are several factors that determine what Subaru Forester wheel spacer size are the best. The first thing to consider is your wheel gap. Simply put, 50mm spacers will push the wheel and tires out about 50mm. The best size of Subaru Forester wheel spacers are always determined by the actual wheel gap. For stock tire setup, 50mm spacers provide a perfect first stance. The second factor is the bolt pattern. Mostly, vehicle-specific Subaru Forester wheel spacers are far safer and better than those universal types. Specific Subaru Forester wheel spacers are often hub-centric. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. Bonus Subaru wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the Bonus wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Besides, Bonus FT Cooling Subaru wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake pulling better. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of FT dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Subaru wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. As long as your Subaru wheel spacers are high quality, there is no significant downside. Besides wheel spacers' base function, Bonus spacers provide additional advantages. For example, the FT cooling technique, the non-designed surface. This boosts the heat dissipation effect of the rotors, hence improving road safety. If you intend to install performance brakes, Bonus Forge FT Cooling Subaru wheel spacers will give you a much better experience.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.